Hi, in this quick demo, I'm going to show how to use the DocNow appraisal tool to look at particular hashtags that are live on Twitter and extract web pages from the conversation to help a web archivist decide what content might be worth archiving for a particular event or topic. Okay, so I'm going to go over to where the demo is running. And on the home page, you basically see a list of places and the trending topics that are in those places at the moment. This comes from Twitter's trending API. And I've set up 3 locations that I'm interested in: St. Louis, the United States, and the world. You can see that it updates as new events come in. So we can pick one of these. Let's see. I'm going to pick Thanksgiving week. Or how about Keystone XL? And so what I come to now is a page that kind of, it's a summary of the Twitter data that's collected. And you can see that it tells me that it collected 1,000 tweets with the Keystone XL phrase in it. And I can actually, these are lists of hashtags that are used with that phrase. So there's this no KXL hashtag, so I can actually add that to my query here, Keystone XL. And then what I can do is I can redo my search with those hashtags. And I'll get some different results. And this visualization here is being done with D3. At some point when you're kind of done exploring the data, looking at the content that's included, and you can see there's actually a list of URLs here, but not much information about them. But when the user decides to save this search by pressing this button here, what you get to see is the content, all the URLs that were present in that Twitter data that was collected were extracted from the tweets, and then there was a part of the data processing pipeline went out to the web to get metadata for those pages, and then stored it in the application database. You can see up here at the top it's saying how many URLs it got and how many it's currently checked. So you can see it's almost done. And then the part of the work that remains to be done is you get an indication of what tweets, how many tweets mention this URL. So there are 34 tweets that were collected that mention this particular URL. But it'd be nice to be able to see what those tweets were. So plan to be able to click on that number and see the tweets themselves to provide context for why this particular web page was of interest. Yeah, so that's the end of my demo.